everybody. So I got another subscription from BeCreateful. I love this website, you guys. This is my go-to place where I get my bling, and lately they've been having a bling box. This is the third one. She did mention that they're having theirs come out every 10th of the month. So I ordered this, and as far as I know, I ordered this on, I think, Saturday maybe. I don't remember what day it was. But she did mention that it's coming out on the 10th, but I just checked just to make sure, and the one that I got is still available on the website. So there is a bling box that is $36.50, or there is a deluxe bling box that is $49.95. So basically you get 5 full-size rhinestone products, a tool, a pen, and then 2 or more unique projects to create it. But the thing is, between the difference is you just get additional stones to fin it to do more projects, is basically what the difference is. But I decided just to get the regular box just because I wanted to see, you know, the differences, and then I'll check people's boxes online. But I absolutely love this. So I do have a referral link below for when you guys do make your first order, but it does not count towards the mystery boxes. So they did change the box up a little bit. I'm loving these boxes, you guys. Like, they're just awesome. I love it, loving it, love it. So here it says BeCreateful, and let's dig in and see what we got. So it says your BeCreateful bling box is here. Inside your box you will find a festive color palette that includes, and it tells me the colors, a collectible rhinestone pen, and application glue bottle, and 2 unique custom projects. So this is actually really cute. I got a one thing that says let it snow, so basically I could bling this and have that up. I have yet to bling it. I still have the one that says thankful, and then I still have my Christmas things, but I will do it eventually. I actually have an idea what I want to do with these, so I should probably bling this and then figure out my project that I want it to be. But I got that, which is super cute, and you can eventually buy those on the website. I think they're like a couple dollars. But here is the stuff that I got. Funny thing, I have these jewels. Okay, you guys, so I am doing a project right now with these jewels. These are the, okay, these are a little bit different. These are the transparent AB flat back rhinestones. These cost about $7.93 for these. They're a little bit clear. They do got like the transparent or iridescent color, but they are like a clear. So this I think is like $7.93. We got a precision bottle. I absolutely love my precision bottles. I actually bought like a 12-pack on Amazon for like $8. This is pretty much the same exact bottle that I own, but it just has the BeCreateful sticker on it. But it's nice because I like to have multiple bottles of the different kind of glues. The glues I currently use is Gem Tack. But yes, and I will be doing definitely more bling videos. What is this? So these are, what is this? I got like a little keychain, and oh, so it's basically, what is this? I don't know what this is. Like, I do, maybe it's like my own little color thing so I can put the colors on so I know what the difference are. That is kind of cool. If I could get that for all the colors, I would totally do this. Because we got Crystal, AB, and Luxe. Crystal, sweet. I'm hoping to maybe get all of the colors on this, because then when I need to find a specific color, I got that. That's kind of cool. I'm going to see if they have more of this stuff available, because that is awesome. I have a ton of these pens, and I need to use them, but they are so pretty. I got a blue one with the diamond on it. I just love these pens, and they're so cute. So cute, and I need to use them more, but I'm all about colored ink. But these are so cute. Maybe I can do these in a giveaway sometime. And then here are other colored jewels that I have. So here we have the champagne glass. These are the SS10s, which is a nice, like, it's kind of like a brownish goldish color, if you guys can kind of see it. So we got that. These usually run, I don't know what the price is off the top of my head, but these are like usually like $4, $5, $6. Now this is something that I use all the time. This is the flat back Crystal Luxe. These are the SS16s. These are my go-to colors that I use for a lot of my projects. So I'm pretty excited because this is something I can always use. Here is the Capri Blue, which I have not bought the Capri Blue yet, and that is actually a very pretty blue. This is the SS20s, so that's kind of cool. This would be like a cool little project. I mean, to let it snow, that'd be kind of cool to do them all in different sizes. That's kind of cool. And then here is the Aquamarine. I do have this color. It kind of resembles like a teal. In different kind of lighting, it does resemble more of a teal color. Like here, it's kind of a blue, but when you spread them out a little bit, they do look like a teal. So those are the things that I got. I can tell you guys the prices for this stuff right now, so you guys kind of have an idea. So I paid $36.95 for this box, or $36.50. I did not have to pay for shipping. It's free shipping. So we are going to just go through this so you guys kind of have an idea of how much everything costs. So this right here is the SS16 in the 10 rows. So there's 14, 40. This is $7.25. So we're going to just add this up. So $7.25. Okay. Now we're going to go to the Aquamarine. And we're going to add this one up. This is the SS20s. And this is $8.03. So we're going to add that plus $8.03. Okay. Now we're going to go look for either the Capri Blue or the Champagne, whichever comes first. Here's the Capri Blue, and this is the SS12. So we're going to see what this costs. So this is $6.24. So plus $6.24. And then we got this one. And this one is the Champagne glass. And these are the SS10s. So this is $5.80. So right now we're at $27.32 for this. And then we're going to look at the multi-pack, which I thought was $7.92. So we got the crystal, or the transparent AB is what this one is. Now most of these all cost the same price. There are some colors that are a little bit different priced. I don't know if it's just because of the color or what, but I am going to try to find this crystal. Okay, there's a white, not that one. Give me 1 second. There's 2 pages to find this one. And I cannot find it all of a sudden. Why can't I find it? Seriously? Okay, here it is. So this costs $7.03. So plus $7.03. So here, those 5 colors right now are $34.35. We got this little bottle. I'm gonna say this is probably $1. We'll just say it's $1. I know it's probably cheaper than that. And then we got this Let It Snow. She'll probably have this sold for like $2 or something like that. I can see if it's on the website. Let's see if it's on the website. They don't, okay, Word Art. Let's see if they have it on here yet. They just have the one family, and they have the one that's family for $3. So this will probably cost, I want to say, let's just do, we'll just do $3. So right now we're at $38.35. And then we have the pen, and then we have this little plexiglass thing, which I gotta figure out what to do with this, but this is something that I'm actually gonna really enjoy. So I don't even know what to price this, but right now we're at, you save about a couple bucks is what you guys do, but you don't have to pay for shipping, which is an awesome thing. So if you guys are interested in this box is still available as of Wednesday night. It's still available. You guys can definitely check it out if you want to do this, but this is something where if you guys want to start a project, this is the way to go. I mean, she gives you this, you get the precision bottle, all you need is the glue. I use Gem Tack that I got on Amazon, and then I just have one of those little wax pens that you guys can get on the website too, but pretty easy. And then what I think I'm going to do is actually bling this out, and then I'm going to have like a really cool background and then put it in like a little frame. So that's a project that I'm going to be doing. If I don't do it this year, I'm going to definitely be doing it in the sometime in the next year of the 2021, and then maybe I can make some more to sell later on. We will see. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Hopefully you guys can get the same awesome items, and if you guys got a deluxe box, let me know. I'm dying to know what was inside. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.